mo ba ang number one personal goal ng mga tao ngayong 2025? Daming nagsasabi na more wealth and financial freedom ang number one goal. Pero alam mo ba na ayon sa survey na ang number one personal goal is our health? Kapag hindi natin inuuna ang kalusugan, nagiging mahirap ang lahat, tulad ng trabaho, relasyon, at ang pag-abot ng iyong goal. Madalas, puro diet plans at gym membership pa yung naiisip natin. Pero hindi ito sustainable kapag walang proper foundation for health. Ang katawan kasi natin, parang makina lang yan. Kung mali ang fuel, babagal at titigil din. Processed foods, lack of sleep, or stress, yan ang mga common factors na nagpapahina ng immune system at ating energy levels. If you want to break your unhealthy habit, here are 4 health tips for you. Number 1, start exercising for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. Number 2, eat healthy foods. Have veggies, fruits, and whole grains in your meals. Number 3, consult checkups with your doctors for any ailments. Number 4, you need superfoods in your system that can help you improve your overall health. I and my family use Herbal Nation Barley. And make sure ha, na mistock ka ng Herbal Nation Barley sa bahay. Super affordable pa. 400 pesos lang, 100 grams na. Kaya alam mo na ha, Herbal Nation Barley lang kung gusto mo maging healthy ngayong 2025.